Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to make a bouquet. First, we put the floral foam in water for about 10 minutes so it becomes fully wet. This will keep our flowers fresh. To make the bouquet look bigger, don't cut the flower stems too short. Place the flower with the largest and most beautiful bloom in the center of the bouquet. Place the other flowers around the central flower. Make sure to place the flowers evenly in different spots. Try to place the other flowers lower than the central flower. Follow us for more simple flower arrangement. For a nicer look, you can also use cotton flowers. Wrap your bouquet with paper any way you like. Now we have a very big and beautiful bouquet with very low cost.